Hi friends, it's a dry day. It's a perfect day to bale hay. My neighbors are letting me help with the baling. They're even letting me drive the tractor. It's a 1955 Farmall tractor. Here's the steering wheel. This is the clutch and the brake. And here is the gear shift. This helps me shift from gear to gear. This I pull out, and then I can use this little loop to start it. Are you ready to listen to it start? All right, let's put it into gear and let's get going. The wheels on the tractor go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the tractor go round and round all day long. Sit in the driver's seat with me. Come on, let's go. There's the hay baler. It has a wagon full of hay. My wagon is empty. It's time to switch wagons. We'll unhook the hay baler from the full wagon. Here's the pin. We have to take this out to unhitch. Here's the baler. It's unhitched from the full wagon of hay. We're going to take the full wagon of hay to the barn so we can stack it in the barn loft. And I have the empty hay wagon. I'm going to hook it up to the baler so it's ready to bale more hay. There it goes in the background, baling hay. Hay goes in the baler and then gets pressed and packed inside. This is where the spools of twine are stored. The twine ties the bales together. Here's where it comes out of the box of spools. And then it's fed through that hole. And then on the other side of the baler, we'll take a look underneath where that twine goes. It goes into these things. They're kind of like needles. And when it's time, it brings those needles up through the hay, wrapping the twine around the hay bale and then tying it off so that the hay bale is complete. There is where the twine was tied. We'll watch how that works. Did you see that? Let's look again. The hay in the baler gets packed, 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 packed. The hay in the baler gets packed, packed, packed all day long. Look, here comes the knot. And now another bale is complete. And here is the bale counter. 406 bales today. Here comes my favorite part. Do you see the belt moving really quickly? The bales are getting pushed to the belt. Woohoo! That's neat. And here's what it looks like from inside the wagon. There's one. Look in front of the tractor. Do you see that long row of hay? I wonder how many bales that long row of hay will make. Oh, there's another bale. Uh-oh. Oop! That one bounced off the side of the wagon. Here's a bale being kicked in slow motion. The kicker on the baler pops the bales up, up. The bales up, up. The bales up, up. The kicker on the baler pops the bales up, up. All day long. The wagon at the back catches the bales, catches the bales, catches the bales. The wagon at the back catches the bales all day long. Next, a farm worker puts the bales of hay off the wagon onto the elevator, which carries it up to the loft. Do you see that bale coming up to the loft on the elevator? Then a farm worker in a loft, that's me today, will take the bale and stack it in the barn. Here it comes. I'm ready. I'm going to grab it by the twine. Find a perfect spot right here. And make sure it's tightly stacked. When all the bales are stacked in the barn, we can have a little fun. Balers can bale straw or hay. Hay is a little greener in color. That's what animals eat, like cows and goats. Straw is a little yellow in color, and that's what they use for a bed. Harvesting hay. Here are the steps in harvesting hay. First, a farmer cuts the hay with the mower. Then, the farmer uses a tedder for tedding the hay. That dries the hay on all the sides. There's a tedder in action. Look how it's flipping the hay and tossing it about to help it dry. The next step, step 3, is raking the hay into rows with a rake. And then step 4, baling hay. Look, this baler makes round bales, and this one makes very large rectangle bales. And this is a kick baler. It makes smaller rectangle bales. Friends, let's play a sequencing game. Here we go. Friends, maybe you can help me. I'm trying to figure out how to hook up my tractor, wagon, and baler. What order do they get hooked together? What comes first? Can you help me? Is this the way it goes? Baler, tractor, wagon? Or is it tractor, wagon, baler? No? Well, which comes first? A tractor? So I should take the tractor and put it here. But what gets hitched to the tractor? Can you tell me? What comes next? The wagon? Oh, no. The baler. Oh, okay. So the baler gets hitched to the tractor like that. And what comes next? We have a tractor, baler. Oh, the wagon. There we go. Thanks, friends. Tractor, baler, wagon. And look, it matches up here. My order I have here, tractor, baler, wagon. Thank you. Thanks for helping me hitch my farm equipment together in the right order. Let's count hay bales and do a baling action rhyme. We have some hay bales here and our wagon. Let's count our hay bales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're gonna get ready for our rhyme. So let me teach you some actions, some hand motions that go with our rhyme about baling hay. So we remember that when hay is in the baler, it gets pressed and packed together, packed and pressed, and then it gets tied with a twine. It's kind of like a string, but a very strong string called twine, and it ties the hay together into a bale. Okay, so we're gonna use our hands to pack, pack, press, press, tie with the twine. Do that with me. Pack, pack, press, press, tie with the twine. Then we're going to push, push the hay bales. You do that with me. Push, push the hay bales in a long line. And then we're gonna pop the bales into the wagon. Ready? Pop, pop the bales into the wagon they go. Can you do that with me? Pop, pop the bales into the wagon they go. Then we're gonna count the bales while we're kicking them in. Are you ready? We're gonna use kicking, like a kicking motion, but we're gonna use our hand. And we're gonna use clapping to count our bales. Kick, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now the wagon is full of bales of hay. Stack them. You do that? Stack them. Stack them in the barn. Shoo! Shoo! What a day. Okay, we're gonna do it all together. Let's see if we can do this. Ready? Here comes the baler down the long hay row. Tractor, baler, wagon. Chug, chug, chug they go. Pack, pack, press, press, tie with a twine. Push, push the hay bales in a long line. Pop, pop the bales into the wagon they go. Kick, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the wagon is full of hay, full of bales of hay. Stack them in the barn. Whew, what a day. Hey, we just baled some hay. Thanks for baling hay with me with this rhyme. Okay, we talked about baling hay. Let's talk about eating hay. Let's call our goat friends, Root Beer and Sassafras. They can show us how it's done. We're gonna see if they like this fresh hay. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on, look, I have some fresh hay for you. Come on. Yeah. Here they come. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look what I have. Hi, Sassy. Sassafras. Mwah. Come here, Root Beer. Do you want kisses too? And I have hay. You want to try it? It's very yummy. Oh yeah, it is good. Do you? I don't know. I don't think chickens eat hay. You might be able to make a nest with it. Yeah, is it good? Come here, Root Beer. Come on. Ah, here he comes. Oh, Root Beer. Give me kisses. Mwah. All right. Well, they seem to like the hay. Oh, yum, yum. Even the chickens want to see what the hay is all about. It's delicious. Doesn't get any fresher than this. You want some more kisses? Do you want kisses too, chickies? Let's see. How about I try this one? Wow, that's really long. Oh, yeah. Pretty good hay. I'm eating your hay. Oh, you want it? I'm eating your hay. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. My teeth don't really eat the hay very well. Yeah. Goat teeth are much better at it. And I only have one stomach. Goats have 4, and they need that to digest this hay. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe it's just fun to chew on. Show us how you chomp your hay, Root Beer. Root Beer needs practice sharing his hay with Sassafras. Oh, bless you. You sneezed. Hay got in your nose. I have a little song I want to sing to you before I go. Down in the hayfield early in the morning, see the little tractors all in a row. See the friendly farmer pull the little handle. Chug, chug, puff, puff, off they go. Down in the hayfield early in the evening, see the little wagons all in a row. See the red hay baler kick the many hay bales. Kick, kick, pop, pop, off they go. Well, our work is done for today. Thanks for baling hay with me. But friends, you can find some great books at the library. First on Hoopla, we have books on hay balers and lots of books about tractors. All different kinds of tractors. And this book is a lot of fun. It's titled Driving My Tractor. And friends, don't forget to visit Canopy Kids. Here's a video titled Down on the Farm. And this is all about a hay bale that goes missing. And don't forget to visit library.car.org. You'll find our catalog with lots of books on baling hay and tractors, such as this one, Goodnight Tractor, Tractors, Tremendous Tractors. This is great for even the youngest. This comes in board book format. And Tractor Songs. For more information on how our contactless service works, please visit library.car.org. And don't forget, now's the time to sign up for the summer reading program. Imagine Your Story. It's for all ages, babies through grown-ups. And a very, very special thanks to our neighbors, the Hollands. They let me drive the tractor. I had so much fun.